Ja, sjoe.
Wie zijn?
Dat is jouw stokje.
Ja.
Wil je zien? Ja, hij is een beetje klein.
Nee. Ik zoek een jongen kan weer.
Vir die...
Mijn papa, ik gooi zulke saais hier uit.
Okay.
Voor een leervis.
Okay.
Net die leervis kan sit.
Morning guys. So me and Reinhard's here. He says he wants a little bit of a smaller outfit, so it's his choice.
Laat ek gou kyk. Dan mag ek hom, okay, jy gooi hom vorentoe.
That's it. There's a sea mullet and the right size as well. Next one up for grabs. Morning guys. So we at a spot now. The cob was really scarce this morning, but at a spot now where there's some good grunter in the area. Seeing some good grunter. So we're gonna go full on for the grunter now. Let's see if we can catch a few grunter. I say. Kop. Okay. I'll say they know. Woe! Maak het klein bietjie uit die koek, That's it. One was the first one. Ja. Mooi, Reinhard. Reinhard's on you with a... Morning, Reinhard. On you with a very, very nice grunter, eh? This time we had a nice couple of days on the grunter and it was exactly the same time. So let's see, and there's loads of fish around.
Lekker grunter.
How's that fight?
Baie lekker.
Staan op boop? Staan boop die kas? Can you fight? Like I say, last year this time, exactly the same spot. Early in the season we got some really nice grunter in this area, and yes, but you must see there's plenty of fish around. We're probably going to get another one on now. Ah, Boetie, salt fishing charters.
Ja. Salt fishing charters.
Woo, big grunter, big grunter.
Oh,
ja, it's massive.
Ek het hom nou net gesien en hy was die grootste ding wat ek al in my lewe gesien het. Ek dink hy wil onder die lyne gaan.
Hulle sal enigiets draai nou.
Kan sien hy is nou albei.
Sy bring hom. Mooi vis. Check daai grunter. Bring hom daai kant, bring hom daai kant, bring hom daai kant. Baie mooi vis. Nee. Staan weer daar bo. Okay, guide hom nou, guide hom. Net jy onder die motor in. Right, Reinhard. Woo! What a grunter. Next one's mine, eh? Bring him, bring. Ooh! Okay, one more. He's gonna make one more run. Okay, bring him in.
Now he's done.
Is he almost done? Let's see. Look at that. Okay, lig net sy kop vir my. Lift his head for me. That's it. That's it. Yes!
Hy swaar net.
Yes! Look at that grunter. Wat so?
Die eerste grunter van die seisoen. Mooi. Mooi, huge grunter.
It's a nice big grunter, eh?
Ja.
Ooh! As hy Boeta, hoe voel hy? Hey yes, ons het skaarsie gekom! Lekker!
Niemand weet iets.
Ja, sê dis 'n mooi vis. Dis 'n mooi kabeljou. Net so. Nou kan die propeller hier voor. Breede. Yes! Wat so dan? Yes!
Hy saai, papa.
Yoshi! That's a huge fish! What? Look at this, guys! Hello, Reinhard!
Hallo.
Look at this! Look at this! Look at that! Niet zo. Ah, zit! Reinhard! Reinhard, kijk hier. Ah, zit. Ja, zij is recht. Klip hem op. Gaat hij. Mooi. Lekker boetie. Yes, jy het mooi gedoen om daai vis terug te sit. Hello. Say how's it, boys? Maak so.